Good afternoon, traders. This is Taylor from thetradinganalyst.com. And if you're in this video I got a question on why I sold my BABA puts at the level that I did, and also how do I get the support and resistance lines drawn out, and how do I determine where those levels are. So this is going to be a little bit of a midday educational video. So as you can see, I have the and normally I don't have the crosshairs here because they're annoying, but I am going to need them to show you the details of you know, the highs and the lows of each candle, to show you how I get the supports and resistance. So I have this support line drawn right here, and that's exactly where we sold, right about 83.15 or so. Okay, now why did I have that line drawn there? Okay, now I'm going to tell you why. We've got all these candles right here, the highs of these candles right here. So this is the high, that's 83.25. The high of this candle right there, 82.69. The high of this candle, 82.92. The high of this candle, 82.84. High of this candle, 82.75. The low of this candle, 82.80. The low of this candle, 83.53. The low of this candle, 83.07. The high of this candle, 82.95. And then, you know, I'm not going to go over every single one, but you get the idea of what I'm trying to do. Is there's just all these candles right here, and then the top of this candle right here, 83.25. Okay, and then the low of this candle right here, that's 83.22, and then the low over here was 82.81. So this is the spot. About 83.15 is a spot where most of the candles are reacting to. Now these are not exact lines. Sometimes they bounce a little bit above, sometimes they bounce a little bit below, but you want to get a kind of an average of where all these candles are touching. You know, you just want to see where is it reacting to? Where has BABA or any other chart been reacting to? And same can be said, this is an even better line up here at the 83.50, and that's why we liked it short below this line. We had 1, 2, 3 candles close below 83.50, or I'm sorry, 85.50, so it was a no-brainer for us to get into some puts. As you can see, the closes of these candles, you can just see, if you draw this line, they just react. Look at all these candles. Boom, 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 boom. The highs of those. Okay, and then the lows of these candles. Okay, and then the low of this candle right here, these two candles. Okay, and it's, you know, it's simple. And then that's why I have this line drawn down here. You know, there's not as many candles to work with over here, but that's just because BABA, you know, is not even a year into its existence. So, but yeah, this is going to be the next level, 80.50, because of all these candles reacting over here. And as you can see, there's a little bit of support right here at 81.50 as well from these candles. So I should probably draw a line right there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. You just got to look for where the most action is taking place. Where are they reacting to? You know, I can go up here, look at these highs from these candles, and then what do you know? It broke through this, and then it retested it a bunch of times with these candles. And then that was kind of the open of the gap candle. So that's kind of why this area is important. So charting is not rocket science. You just have to kind of take a deeper look at it, and it's pretty simple. At least that's the way that I like to do it. I like to keep it simple, and I like to trade you know, with pretty simple concepts, because it helps, my trading better, and it helps all of our members be able to understand exactly what's going on the chart. So that's pretty much it for the BABA educational video. You can get a glimpse behind the curtain of the Trading Analyst member-only features like the chat room, educational videos, option and stock alerts with your free 15-day trial at thetradinganalyst.com. And like I said, it's a live atmosphere in the chat room, and we're walking you through every trade, helping you with entries, exits, stops, all that good stuff. And you can also join a group of other traders who are trying to help each other out. It's just a really positive environment to be in. It's great to be in if you're a trader and you're trying to get better and trade in the market. And we'll see you in there tomorrow.